Another word you may come across is the term foundation model. Let's first look at models that are not foundation models. These are task-specific models. If you have a translation model, it takes an input piece of text and assumes that its job is to translate that piece of text, not to do something else with it. If you have a summarization model and you give it a piece of text, it knows that it's going to try to summarize that piece of text and not do anything else with it. If you have a sentiment analysis model and you give it a piece of text, such as a product review, then this model knows that it's going to predict a number and not do something else, like try to summarize or translate. So for every one model, it performs one specific task. In contrast, let's look at a foundation model. A large language model is an example of a foundation model. If you give it a piece of text, as well as the instruction to translate to French, then it will perform a translation task. If you give that same model a movie script with the instruction to summarize that script, then it will perform the summarization task. If you give it a prompt to predict the rating of some product review, for example between 1 and 5 stars, then it will perform that task and output a star rating. So with one foundation model, it can actually generalize to many tasks if prompted with some hints as to the task that you want it to perform.